Okay, so this short video is on anaerobic respiration. Respiration can, as we know, take place aerobically, which uses oxygen, or it can take place anaerobically, which is without oxygen. Both of these transfer energy. During exercise, anaerobic respiration is used when there's not enough oxygen to supply the muscles. When you do hard exercise, your body can't supply enough oxygen to your muscles, okay? When that happens, your muscles start to respire anaerobically, okay? Aerobic respiration still takes place as well, because some oxygen is still available, just not enough for the amount of work the muscles are doing. Anaerobic respiration is the incomplete breakdown of glucose. The glucose is not broken down completely. The word equation is glucose to lactic acid. Anaerobic respiration does not transfer as much energy as aerobic respiration, so less energy is released. This is because the glucose does not combine with the oxygen like it does in aerobic respiration. Okay, this is known as the oxidation being incomplete. So, what happened after the exercise? Lactic acid is produced, which causes cramps. Your breathing rate remains high, so that the increased oxygen can convert the lactic acid back to glucose in the liver. So this is known as the oxygen debt. So the amount of oxygen required to break down the lactic acid produced during exercise, it is converted back into glucose in the liver. So what this means is the amount of oxygen required to fully break down the glucose is the oxygen debt. So say if you're exercising really hard, you'll need more and more oxygen afterwards to fulfill the oxygen debt. Aerobic respiration occurs in all living organisms. Anaerobic respiration in yeast and in plants is slightly different. Okay, the word equation for this is glucose to ethanol and carbon dioxide. So this is used in the food and drink industry. In beer and wine, for example, yeast is used to make the ethanol, okay, which is the alcohol in beer and wine. And in bread, the carbon dioxide that is produced makes the bubbles which cause the bread to rise. Okay, this is really valuable to the food and drink industry.